Welcome to our deep dive into the ethical implications of artificial intelligence in healthcare. In today's world, AI is not just a buzzword, but a transformative force reshaping how we approach medical care. From diagnosis to drug development, AI holds immense promise. But with great power comes great responsibility. Join us as we explore the delicate balance between innovation and privacy in this rapidly evolving landscape. The rise of AI in healthcare. Let's start by understanding the rise of AI in healthcare. With the ever-growing demand for better healthcare services, coupled with advancements in digital health technologies, we find ourselves amidst a data revolution in healthcare. Enter AI, particularly machine learning, which has the capability to sift through this vast sea of data to extract valuable insights for both patients and healthcare providers. Unlike traditional algorithms, AI systems can adapt, learn, and reason, mimicking the complexities of the human brain. From analyzing electronic health records to optimizing clinical care, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of healthcare delivery. Ethical challenges. However, this integration of AI into healthcare doesn't come without its fair share of ethical challenges. Let's delve into 4 key ethical issues that demand our attention. Number 1. Transparency of algorithms. First up, transparency of algorithms. Transparency refers to the clarity and accessibility of AI algorithms, ensuring that their decision-making processes are understandable to both healthcare providers and patients. In high-stakes medical scenarios, such as diagnosis and treatment planning, transparency is essential for building trust and ensuring accountability. Imagine a scenario where a patient receives a diagnosis generated by an AI algorithm without understanding how the decision was reached. This lack of transparency not only erodes patient confidence, but also poses ethical concerns regarding accountability. To address this, AI developers must prioritize transparency by providing detailed explanations of how algorithms function, including the data inputs they rely on and the reasoning behind their decisions. Additionally, healthcare providers should receive training to interpret and critically evaluate AI-generated recommendations, fostering a culture of transparency and accountability in medical practice. Number 2. Privacy and informed consent. Now, let's delve deeper into the critical issue of privacy and informed consent in the realm of AI-driven healthcare. Patient data, comprising sensitive information about their health and medical history, forms the cornerstone of AI algorithms. However, the utilization of this data must be governed by stringent ethical principles. Informed consent becomes paramount. Patients should have a clear understanding of how their data will be used, who will have access to it, and for what purposes. Moreover, they must retain the right to opt in or opt out of data sharing arrangements. This not only empowers patients, but also fosters trust between healthcare providers and those under their care. Robust safeguards should be in place to protect patient privacy, including encryption measures, access controls, and regular audits to detect and prevent unauthorized data breaches. By prioritizing privacy and informed consent, we can ensure that AI-driven healthcare remains ethically sound and respects the rights and autonomy of patients. Number 3. Algorithmic fairness and bias. Moving forward, let's address the critical issue of algorithmic fairness and bias in AI applications within the healthcare sector. While AI has the potential to enhance medical decision-making and improve patient outcomes, it is not immune to the biases that pervade our society. Biased algorithms can perpetuate and even exacerbate disparities in healthcare delivery, leading to unequal treatment and outcomes for marginalized communities. To combat this, it is imperative to implement measures that promote algorithmic fairness and mitigate bias. This includes diversifying datasets to ensure representation from various demographic groups, conducting regular audits to identify and rectify biases within algorithms, and fostering transparency in algorithmic decision-making processes. Additionally, healthcare providers must undergo training to recognize and address biases in AI-generated recommendations. By prioritizing fairness and equity in AI development and deployment, we can strive towards a healthcare system that delivers equitable care to all individuals, regardless of their background or identity. Number 4. Accountability and responsibility. Last but not least, let's explore the complex issue of accountability and responsibility in the context of AI in healthcare. As AI systems become increasingly autonomous, autonomous in their decision-making capabilities, questions arise regarding who should be held accountable when things go wrong. Unlike human practitioners, AI lacks moral agency and cannot be held responsible for its actions in the same way. This poses challenges in assigning accountability and determining liability in cases of medical errors or adverse outcomes resulting from AI-generated recommendations. The black box nature of AI, where its inner workings are opaque to users, further complicates matters. To address this, clear frameworks for accountability and responsibility must be established, delineating the roles and obligations of AI developers, healthcare providers, and regulatory bodies. Additionally, mechanisms for recourse and redress should be implemented to address instances of harm or injustice caused by AI in healthcare. By holding all stakeholders accountable and fostering a culture of responsibility, we can mitigate risks and ensure ethical AI deployment in healthcare settings. Global landscape and collaboration. Zooming out, let's examine the global landscape of AI in healthcare and the importance of collaboration in navigating ethical challenges. Different countries and regions have varying regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines governing the use of AI in healthcare, posing challenges for a cohesive approach on a global scale. However, collaboration between policymakers, healthcare practitioners, researchers, and AI developers is crucial to address shared ethical concerns and promote best practices in AI deployment. By sharing knowledge, expertise, and resources, stakeholders can work together to develop robust regulatory frameworks that prioritize patient safety, privacy, and ethical considerations. International collaborations and partnerships can also facilitate the exchange of data and insights, accelerating innovation and advancing the ethical use of AI in healthcare. Ultimately, by fostering collaboration and cooperation across borders, we can harness the transformative potential of AI while upholding ethical principles and ensuring the well-being of patients worldwide. AI holds tremendous promise in revolutionizing healthcare for the better, but to truly harness its potential, we must confront the ethical challenges head-on. By prioritizing transparency, ensuring informed consent, addressing bias, and establishing clear accountability frameworks, we can strike the delicate balance between innovation and privacy in the age of AI in healthcare. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and ethical.